Looking for creative ways to use Torah Live in your classroom? Head over to our Help Center, where you can benefit from scores of creative ideas, engaging activities, and hands-on experiences that actual teachers have done. Let me show you some examples. For honoring parents, look at how Rabbi Zev and Rebecca Gabay of the Torah Moshe Shul in London created a parent-child learning program using Torah Live's video on honoring parents, and the Torah Live honoring parent chart and certification of completion as well. See how the Memphis Koil made a program for kids to learn about Netilas Yadayim. They first showed the Torah Live video on the subject and then had the kids do hands-on actual activities themselves. Or check out the lesson activity for Asher Yotza and see how Mrs. Hadassah Smulasik of the Katz Hillel Day School in Boca Raton created a wonderful program for grades 1 to 3 together with the parents and the grandparents of the children, where they kicked off showing the Torah Live videos and had a powerful speaker follow up to create a meaningful learning adventure for all ages. This is just a small taste of the many creative ways you can use Torah Live in your classroom. And if you come up with a new one, please send it in and share it with the rest of the Torah Live community so that others can benefit from your example.